Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I'm going to give you a tour of the 2025 Astoria 260RK, and they said this is their fastest selling unit, so I'm assuming this is their #1 seller. But this is going to be a compact rear kitchen camper. It's 31 feet, 8,200 pounds, but it has a lot of really good features and things that you think you're going to like as far as like construction quality. One, it's aluminum frame construction, Asdale sidewalls, composite flooring, but it also looks really nice and it is not overly expensive. So I mean, it's going to be kind of a home run on all cylinders, really. Unless you're looking for something, real crazy and looking for ways to spend money, this is really all you need, especially if you're that traveling couple. But again, it's that 2025 Astoria 260RK. Let's go ahead and jump right in, and then yeah, start on the inside, work our way on the outside. If you guys don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button at some point when you're watching the tour. And if you really don't mind, take a moment and say hello, ask a question. I'd love to hear from you. So this won't be an overwhelmingly long tour. This is a pretty small and compact unit. You have your 10.7 12-volt refrigerator right there, so it'll run off the solar, which I think this thing has 200 watts of solar up top. I'll put a link down in the description for the specifications, pricing, and the manufacturer link so you can see options. And then I love the fact that you get a fireplace with a TV, but I mean, this is really kind of what you get. You're going to have theater seating. I really like these. One, they are the abnormally comfy ones, so I'm going to rate that about 8 out of 10 on the tush scale. They're also going to be on the quick recline, so if you do need to bring some guests, you can lay them down there for a good little snoozer. You also can drop down that and put some guests there too if you would like as well. So that's going to be a little bit of a different setup, having that booth dinette or kind of like a desk setup right there. So you're going to have a little bit of countertop space. I'm not sure if that opens up. Sure does. So that's pretty cool. Maybe put like a blanket or two. Cup holders, place for your remotes, windows that all open up. So that's nice. They're also going to be tinted. You got the Dracula shade. I like the aesthetics of this right here. Even though this is a 31-foot camper, slide height on this, pretty darn snazzy. I mean, I'm 6 feet tall. You got a let of head height. You're also going to see, again, a great place to where you can sleep a little bit extra, but also eat a meal and maybe get some work done on the road. Because this thing would be perfect to just zip around. I imagine being like traveling nurse wife. I got a cousin that's a traveling nurse, just dipping around somewhere really cool. I think that'd be really neat. I don't know why that happened again. That's the third time today that's happened. My camera keeps freezing, so I don't know if you guys have the new iPhone. Maybe drop a comment. Let me know what I can do to avoid that. But copper tabs so that way the doors don't fly open. I also like the handles. What do you guys think about that? I think that's pretty sharp looking. Flip it around, and your TV is going to be directly across from your theater seating, so that's nice. It's also going to be on a swivel, so if you want to angle it, down at the dinette, you are able to do so. A couple viewing windows going around the bottom, which is nice. The hard wrap plastic finish, it's going to be one of those heat adhered ones, so you don't have to worry about it, getting any leakage or anything like that, because there are going to be no seams. Really nice kind of drawer right here. This would be my junk drawer. No problemo. Everything that goes to be lost forever would be in there in my family. You're going to have the electric fireplace to keep nice and roasty and toasty, so that'll heat up the entirety of this camper, really, as long as you have proper airflow up into the bedroom. 3 stovetop burner to whip up all the fixins. And then you got an oven maybe for like DiGiorno or some cookies, things of that nature, along with another pull-out there down below. You're also going to get 4 pull-out drawers, with the bottom one being a little bit larger, as you can see right there. Access to your plumbing and some really good storage here under. Ugh, it's driving me nuts. Farm-style sink with some really good storage there up underneath. You also got the high-rise faucet, hitting those dishes from all angles. You're also going to have the power tower there in the back corner, and then a ton of storage here too as well. And notice it is going to be on the soft close, so that's going to be a little bit of an added benefit there for you. Like I said before, 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, so plenty of room for an extended weekend, or if it is just a traveling couple, you probably can fit a week's worth of groceries in there, no problem, would be my best guess. You're going to get 3 of those, in total. You also have the old Steam Sucker 3000 right there to help circulate some of the air from whatever it is that you're cooking. If the fan you know, kind of doesn't get that out of the way there for you. And I don't even know if I pointed it out. I'm getting so flustered over this freaking camera stopping. Is you have your microwave right there. Good enough for like a bag of popcorn. You know, maybe like one of those like little stouffer meals. A baked potato or frozen dinner. All right, this is going to be the control for your AC. It does look like it's going to be a 15K AC as well. You also have the floating steps with the accent lighting, so I just like the aesthetics of that. You're also going to get a handle to help, you know, get you up. I mean, look at that mirror right there. Here into the bathroom, you're going to have a place where you can hang up your towels over here on the back. You also have a porcelain foot flush throne. And let's check the room there for you. A little tight on the right side, but you got plenty of space on the left to lean. So that's going to be an okay for me. Kind of one of those things that kind of get me done. You're also going to have the Tri-Glide Glass Series. And then you got a fairly large shower, actually, which is nice. For a camper this size, typically they go with that BS corner radius shower. But, you know, you got plenty of head height here, probably about 6'4" or so. You got room for maybe 2 flats in here. No bowling gun, baby. Bowling starts back up here in another couple of weeks, doing the Winter League. It's been the least amount that I've bowled in the last year as far as league is concerned. I still got it though, so no worries there. Getting the wife on board with the league this year, and maybe with 2 of the kids also. Propane, tankless on-demand hot water heater, so it'll run off your propane. Be instant hot water as long as you have propane and Mooski. And then a lot of good walk-around room here. You're also going to get a king bed too, which is nice. And a camper this size, that's going to be pretty darn clutch for you. Both windows on either side open up. And this is a mid-profile fifth wheel, meaning that it's kind of like sloped on the roof. But you can see you still get some really good head height here. I mean, I am 6 feet tall. You're looking at 6'2" right here. And until you walk up to, I mean, really about the closet is when you start losing it head height for someone my size. Closet's got really everything that you need. I mean, it's just big. You got some hanging space in there. And then move it on around. Let's check it out. Washer and dryer prepped, hanging space. 3 pull-out drawers. What do you guys think about this floor plan? I mean, as far as tinier fifth wheels, I typically do the large ones. This one is definitely taking the cake. I actually kind of like the aesthetics of that up there. I think that looks cool. My wife would have crystals up there all day long. But alright guys, this is the 2025 Astoria 260RK. Now let's go around the outside, show you what she's all about. And unfortunately the pass-through storage is it's locked up for some reason. But what I will do is I will put a link to the manufacturer where you should be able to check out their Matterport and where you can see that. Actually, this is all locked. Okay, so we'll do with what we got. 200 watts of solar there up top, it looks like. You're also going to have your awning, no slides on this side, so it's a really great place for your, you know, your picnic tables and whatnot. And that awning's going to provide maximum shade because of it. Dual axle with the speakers here on the ground level, so it'll help you out with hearing it a little bit better. You also have extra large grab handle, the Alpha Ply roofing, so that's going to be a limited lifetime warranty on there, so that's going to be nice. Satellite, plug-ins, Y bracket for the TV, extend and retract for the electric slide, and this is going to be for a griddle right here with an LP Quick Connect there underneath. Now you have a ladder to get on top of your fully walkable roof. Check your slides, check your seals, make sure all your maintenance is on the up and up. I'd recommend getting up there about every 3 months. You're also prepped for the rear observation camera as well, so you can see what's going on behind you with some distance markers as you're traveling down the road. A 4-way flat with a 2-inch receiver. You're also going to get a 50 amp cord right here, and then you have your slide toppers on there, which is fantastic. You also have your sewer outlet connection, your bypass valves, and then right here, you got a little place for the old stinky slinky there too. So you got your other bypass valve along with your low point drains. Black tank flush right over here. So that's going to be basically a sprinkler system there for your poop tank. But yeah, that looks locked too. But all right, guys, hope you guys enjoy the tour. Again, my name is Hunter, and this is the 2025 Astoria 260RK. See ya. Meow, 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 meow.